Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Download the official GoAccess GPG key with the following command. Add the official GoAccess repository with the next command. Update package list and install GoAccess with the following command. Verify GoAccess installation path with the next command. Check the GoAccess version. Use the following command to install Beetle dependencies. Now download the GoAccess source code with the next command. Don't forget to change the version to the actual one. Extract the downloaded GoAccess source file with the next command. Enter the source directory. Install mmdb that supports library with the next command. Configure the build and compile and install GoAccess with the next command. Verify with installation location and verify installed version again. You can run GoAccess on a local web server log file in the terminal with the next command. Install a patch web server and generate a real-time HTML report from a patch logs. You can do this with the next command. Now, open your web browser and navigate to the server IP address followed by /reports.html. Here you will see all information about logs into your web server. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.